Welcome to another episode on our channel. We are getting closer and closer to getting done with this figure that we've turned into a bust. And right now she's in nutmeg, and it's, even though it was satin spray paint, it actually ended up becoming very glossy. That'll tone down with any wash that we use. What I want to try to do is see what happens with a wash, and if it doesn't work for me, I'm going to try to go for antique bronze. And if that doesn't work, then copper. But I don't think silver is going to be the right color for her at all. So once I get the right paint and wash her in black paint so details stand out, then I'm going to paint in black her eye mask and the little clothing that comes down from her headdress, the clothing itself, to include the skirt and the black spider in the skeleton hand, so that there are touches of black that just pop out. That's why I asked my husband to see if he could make a stand that's black instead of going with the wood I thought about using earlier, cutting it here at an angle. I thought the wood would actually compete with the figure too much. Since we're going to have black on the figure, pure black, in certain spots, this black base is really going to complement her wonderfully, is my thinking anyway. I already have two other females that are in this style, not with this headdress, but different, a smaller set of headdresses that will look good at her side. Equally as amazing, all in this genre of spiders and so forth. So I think this is going to become a very cool project and look great when it's done. So hang in there, we're working on it. Hopefully we'll be done, fingers crossed, before the week is over, fingers crossed. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.